This video is sponsored by GROM Audio.com. Hi folks, on my channel you've seen an unboxing video about the GROM Audio VL2 unit, head unit, and also one when we were installed it with Zoltán Fekete from Fekete Diagnostika into my 2008 Lexus LS600h. In this video I'm going to show you I'm sharing my experience about using this unit more than 5 months now, so I will show you what's the pros and cons and is it worth it or not. You can see that the interface was designed specially for automotive use. Large icons, simple navigation and easy operation while driving. One thing I really like is that it doesn't feel out of place in the car. It doesn't look like someone glued a cheap Android tablet to the dashboard. It still feels like a factory Lexus system. Most people will probably buy this system for CarPlay, so let's start there. In my case, wireless CarPlay is enabled. Every time I get in the car, the phone connects automatically. No cables, no extra steps. Just get in, start the car, and the CarPlay is ready. Here you can see Apple Maps, but of course Google Maps and Waze are also supported. Personally, I use Google Maps most of the time. Navigation works exactly like it does in a modern vehicle. Real-time traffic information, route planning, destination search, and voice guidance are all available. Siri works as well. For example, I can ask Siri to navigate somewhere or make a phone call without touching the screen. Another feature I use almost every day in the Spotify. The factory Mark Levinson Audio system remains untouched, so sound quality stays exactly as it should. Music is still played through the original Lexus amplifier and speakers. Many people ask me whether audio quality gets worse. Based on my experience, it doesn't. Let's take a look at the Android side of the system. The V-Lane is more than just a CarPlay adapter. It has its own Android operating system. As I'm using iPhone, I'm not using this option. Here you'll find apps, settings, Wi-Fi options, and additional features. You can install Google Maps, Waze, here we go, Spotify, and many other Android applications. Let's move into the settings menu. This is where you manage Wi-Fi, internet access, Bluetooth functions, and various system settings. For me, the easiest solution is simply using my iPhone hotspot. As soon as I enter the car, the system connects to the internet and all online functions became available. One of the most common questions I get is, what factory function remains available? Fortunately, the answer is simple. Everything. Factory climate control works, factory radio works, Bluetooth works, the cameras works, steering wheel controls works. This is probably one of the biggest advantage of the V-Lane system. And of course, if you want to change back from the GROM Audio menu to the OEM menu, you just have to push the disc button, the CD disc changer button once, and if you want to go back to the GROM Audio system, push it again. Simple as that. So all the Lexus original functions are still working perfectly. And let's talk about my experience after 5 months. I haven't used the Android side of this menu because I use my iPhone honestly. I use YouTube as well, and I just really like it. The sound is great. It's so easy to connect, and I really like the system as it's not reflecting because it's an all TFT screen on it. Not a huge tablet. It's nice solid OEM look it has, so it's fantastic, but you still have all the features what you need in 2026. I really like this part, for example. And of course many people ask me, is it worth it? I think yes, absolutely. If you have money less than $1,000, you can get even with taxes and VATs and shipping fees even in Europe, and I believe it's worth it because it's not the strongest hardware option what you can get, but as the Chinese version I haven't seen any which is integrated such like this, which is completely looks like an OEM, but just the huge tablet versions. But honestly, if you have a Lexus LS600h, this part it does not have any connection with the hybrid system, so it won't mix up or confuse anything in it because it's just the audio system. But I believe the quality control, good American brand, I trust a little bit more. And of course, if you have a Lexus LS600h, In Hungary we used to say that if you have money for a monkey, have a money for banana as well. So I believe it's worth it and it should buy it. Guys, that was all about my experience. I hope I can help for you to get some info if you want it or not before you buy, before you make your decision. Of course, use the 4K Pro code during the purchase and you will get 10% from the factory. So I'm really happy GROM Audio was connect me and asked me to integrate it and test it and show this unit for many people, because this car is not a common car. Not many have been sold, and you know, it's just by the age, it's getting good deal, looks good deal on the used market, so everybody wants to have it. It's an old luxury car which is very reliable and gives a fantastic luxury feeling to drive it. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to push a like button, follow us for more content, and I wish you have a nice day. Bye.